This video will go over the environmental setup reports that can be generated from FUDSChem. Here in Part 1, we'll go over the reports that summarize the contents of the EQAP, aside from regulatory limits. In Part 2, we'll go over the reports that summarize regulatory limits and other aspects of project setup. For more information on creating an EQAP, please refer to our EQAP tutorials playlist, linked in the description. Each of these reports can be accessed under Reports, Environmental Setup Reports. We'll show how to run the first one as an example. Choose Analysis Methods, Matrix, Sample Preparation. Fill out the drop-downs. Click View Report. This report summarizes the methods, matrices, and units in the EQAP. It includes the unit and method codes that the lab will need to use in their SED file. All of these reports update in real time and can be saved in a variety of formats by clicking the floppy disk icon. Next, we'll look at Analyte Criteria, QC criteria. This report shows the QC elements required for each analyte. Labs will be expected to report these exact analytes for a given QC element. When lab data is submitted, FUDSChem's Automated Data Review, ADR, will apply qualifiers based on the control and reject limits shown here. These are meant to distinguish between marginal and gross exceedances. Values that were changed from the original template are highlighted. Mousing over a highlighted row will show the original values for easy comparison. Next, we'll look at Analyte Limits, Reporting Limits. This report shows the reporting limits and Project Quantitation Limit Goals, PQGs, for each method and analyte. Any missing values are highlighted. Next, we'll look at Analyte Lists. This report shows the various analyte lists. Some methods might have more than one list if different analytes are required for certain samples. These are distinguished by list letter and list name. When entering field data, the user will specify which of these analyte lists are required for each sample. The lab's SED file must match those lists exactly. Analytes that were not part of the original method template are highlighted. Contaminants of potential concern, COPCs, are bolded. The Show Deleted option can be set to True in order to see analytes that have been deleted from the EQAP. Next, we'll look at EIS Surrogate Code Associations. This report shows the surrogate codes associated with each analyte. Analytes will be evaluated against surrogates that have the same surrogate code number. Next, we'll look at holding times. This report lists the preparation, analysis, and leachate hold times for each method. Values that have been changed from the original template are highlighted. Next, we'll look at QC Elements Qualifier Scheme. This report shows the QC elements, validation flags, and QC rules associated with each method. Each control and reject column lists the detect flag, followed by the non-detect flag. The Include Bias option can be set to True in order to show bias on this report. For more information, please refer to our Bias Invalidation video, linked in the description. Next, we'll look at Sample Preservation. This report shows the container, minimum sample volume, and sample preservation requirements for each method and matrix, along with the prep and test hold times. Bottle group is also shown. Any methods with the same bottle group number will be grouped together in FUDSChem's bottle label reports. For more information, please refer to our field sampling ChemField entry tutorial video, linked in the description. Lastly, we'll look at project setup combined. This report combines several of these reports into a single report. Each one appears as a separate section on its own page. Note that this includes regulatory limits and flagging setup, which we will cover in Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.